So now you should see our open proof website. And I'm just going to go ahead and log in. Now, so this is what I want to remind you of. Once you log in, you'll see on the left margin a series of links. If you click on online course materials, you'll see the basically our course laid out chapter by chapter. And when I mean our course, I don't mean the way that I've laid it out on Canvas, right? But instead, it's the author's presentation of the course. And what I want to highlight is, so for example, we're going into chapter 7 today. Notice that there are videos. So for example, if you want to look at a video involving the discussion of the biconditional, you can click on the link that says syntax and semantics of biconditional, and then here you have Barker-Plummer and Etchemendy, right? So that's a nice an additional resource for you. Okay, so if you have questions about that, let me know. Otherwise,